up and it is currently snowing. And it looks so pretty. It's gonna be so cold today. She always does this and she gets so close to the water and I always think that she's gonna just jump in. Does anyone else's cat do that? This is what our backyard looks like. And there's this guy. So white. Yep. The grass is almost covered. Hi, Sawyer. Good morning. It is coming down. We ran out of my favorite coffee creamer, which is the Starbucks dairy-free one. So this is the only one the store had, so hopefully this one tastes good. No, not good. Do not get this creamer. It tastes like water. And I woke up and my voice was kind of raspy, so that's great. I'm gonna drink it because it's literally all I have and I need my coffee, but definitely do not recommend. I'm headed to go get my nails done. I have not had them done in over a month and they look like garbage, but it's okay because I know that, you know, everything had to close down for a reason. Our governor put us all like on another shutdown because our numbers were just too high. I think today is the first day that stores and like salons and stuff are opening back up. I'm just leaving my nail appointment. Sorry that the lighting is already getting pretty dark, but I just got this like really natural color. I don't know about you, but every time I go in to get my nails done, I always think that I'm gonna do like something totally crazy and unique, and then when I'm there looking through the colors, I'm like, okay, that looks like a perfect light pink, let's do that. And I just always like stick with the same color, but I really like this because you can still see like the tip of your nails, so it just looks like really natural, and I don't know, it's just very simple. But I was also kind of running low on time because I want to try and make it to HomeGoods before they close. I just got done finishing filming a huge HomeGoods haul, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I just got a package delivered. Yay! So I know a lot of people do not like FabFitFun, or maybe they have mixed feelings about it on if it's worth it or not, but I will say that it is a hit or miss. Sometimes I get a box and I love everything in it and I actually use everything, and sometimes I get a box and I'm just not feeling anything, and you know, it sucks. But you can always, you know, give it to your friends, give it to your mom, whatever you want. So it's just fun to see what you get every season. So let's see what we got. Do you have a knife? Or anything sharp? Yeah. I fell. Sawyer was, I literally had to stop filming I don't know how many times because she was jumping all over the walls like a monkey. Okay, this is what I'm most excited for. The brand is Summer and Rose, and this is supposed to be a really comfy robe. hood. I don't know why I would ever use a hood on a robe, but you know, let's try it on. Okay, I will say the sleeves though, like, it's a little short. Is it supposed to be like that? Maybe, I don't know, but I don't even care because it's so comfy. So we got the robe, got the little drawstrings, and Kapari Love Melt. I really love Kapari. I've tried their, I think it's just like their normal coconut oil, and then I've also tried their lip balm, and it's so good. So, what is this? It comes with packets. Oh my god. Okay, that was not what I was expecting. It's called Love Melt, and I was reading the description. It says, this organic coconut oil lube is made to melt anywhere on your body so you can turn foreplay into more play. 100% clean ingredients with a touch of natural vanilla deliciousness. Get it on, get it melted, and don't be afraid to get it all over. I don't even know if I'm gonna get in trouble for saying all of that, so I might have to cut that part out. But wow, not what I was expecting. Okay, on to the next. I got a Teeny Superfood Cleanser, and I'm so excited to try this out because I really do love the brand Teeny, and I've actually been trying out their collagen, which you put in like your smoothies and stuff, and it's so good. So this is a superfood cleanser, and look at how nice and green that looks. Can't wait to try that. Okay, I'm excited for this because I love dry brushing, and I use a huge like dry brush every single day to dry brush my whole body. And this is a little face dry brush. Okay, this is a little random. They gave a Kind Thins dark chocolate nuts and sea salt bar. I'll eat that tomorrow. And then we have, what is this? Probiotics, help lock in moisture, caffeine, and rose hip. Ooh, okay. I am excited for this. I have been wanting to try this for such a long time, and this is the Tula Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I have seen this at Ulta a lot of times, but it's just so expensive. I think it's like $30 for this little thing, and I could just never bring myself to buy it. So I'm really excited for this, especially because my dark circles are really bad. And then we have apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. Okay, cool. So I'm guessing you just like sprinkle it in your hair, and it's a dry shampoo. I wonder if it smells like apple cider vinegar. Ooh, it actually smells really good. Doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar at all. Oops. I'm so excited. I will probably try this tomorrow morning. Ooh, it's a blush. I love blush, as you can tell. Go a little crazy with it. And this brand is called Phase Zero. Never heard of them. Let's see what it looks like. It honestly kind of looks like NARS Orgasm, if you know what that looks like. But it's kind of like a peachy, sparkly color. I have used these in the past, and they actually really work. They're called blemish patches. So they're like little stickers, and you put it if you have a pimple, which I actually have had one on my forehead. So I'm gonna try this out, and it's like gone the next day. Next we have Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. Helps refine the appearance of pores. So I'm gonna try this tonight when I wash my face. We have a LED makeup mirror. I'm so excited because I used to have one of these, and the battery died on it, and I really miss using it because you can really get up in there when you're plucking your eyebrows and, you know, putting on your makeup and stuff. So I am really excited to put this together. Ooh, it comes with batteries, thank God. I don't have any. But yeah, you can see my setup, you can see your reflection. I have you sitting on a cardboard box, but you know, it's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah, so that is it. It actually came with a lot of great stuff, and I'm so excited to try all of this out. Like I said, FabFitFun is kind of a hit or miss. You either love it or you don't, and each month it's totally random stuff. So I'm not sponsored or anything, but I will leave a code down below. I think you can get like a free mini FabFitFun box if you subscribe and use my code, or I think it's like $10 or $20 off your first box, but I will provide a code down below if you're interested. I'm actually going to close out this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye, loves.